cross-aldol condensation.
Today we are going to discuss about cross-aldol condensation. Generally, two different aldehyde or ketone or aldehyde and ketone having at least one alpha hydrogen undergo a reaction in the presence of dilute alkali as catalyst to form beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. We call this reaction as cross-aldol condensation. In this reaction, the less reactive substrate produces nucleophile which attacks to the carbonyl carbon of more reactive substance. We know between aldehyde and ketone, aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. Let us take an example. 1 mole of acetaldehyde and 1 mole of acetone is undergoing a reaction in the presence of base like NaOH. It results in the formation of 4 different compounds. The compounds are written below. 2-methyl pen-2 in al, but-2 in 1-al, 3-methyl but-2 in 1-al, pent-3 in 2-on. Let us see the formation of one of the product through mechanism. First, formation of nucleophile takes place. The first step, formation of nucleophile takes place. Then this nucleophile attacks to the acetone to form alkoxide ion. Remember, this alkoxide ion is resonance stabilized. Then protonation of this alkoxide ion takes place to form aldol. At the last step, on heating, dehydration takes place to give alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. See, from beta position and alpha position, water is removed, combinedly water is removed to give 3-methyl but-2 in al. Let us see the tricks. How by seeing only the reactant, you can know what the product is going to be formed. Let us take an example. If we take acetaldehyde, 1 mole of acetaldehyde and reacting with 1 mole of propanaldehyde, then we know 4 different products will be formed. As in aldol condensation, we have seen 2.2 moles of acetaldehyde is reacting with each other in the presence of NaOH. We get but-2 in 1-al. When 2 mole of propanaldehyde is reacting with each other, we get 2-methyl pent-2 in 1-al. Just we have to do what? We have to remove 1 oxygen from this propanaldehyde and 2 alpha hydrogens from another molecule of propanaldehyde, and we have to join both of the reactant by putting a double bond between them. Remember, alpha hydrogen is that hydrogen attached to the carbon which is further attached to the carbonyl carbon. So likewise, all the 4 products are formed. When acetaldehyde react with propanaldehyde, we get 2-methyl but-2 in 1-al, and when propanaldehyde react with acetaldehyde, we get pen-2 in 1-al.